So this is how you can find recently watched videos on Facebook. Let's go ahead and open up Facebook and then go down to the bottom right of the screen and tap on menu. So let's simply scroll down until we can find settings, and now scroll down once again until you can find this section called Your Activity. There are 5 buttons: Activity Log, Device Permissions, Apps and Websites, Business Integrations, and Learn how to manage your info. You're going to want to tap on the very first one, which is the Activity Log. And here is your history. As you can see, it says Activity Log is where you can view and manage your Facebook activities, such as posts, tags, comments, and likes. This also includes videos that you've recently watched. Here you can move your posts from your profile to your archive, where only you can see them. You can also move them to trash, where they will be automatically deleted after 30 days. So simply tap on Activity History, and that is where you can see all of the videos and posts that you have seen while using Facebook. So yeah, it has every single activity you have in store, and you could even delete your whole history to start on a new page. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.